story kasi it happened, the signing under GMA Playlist and Together With Me happened even before Unang Hirit came to life, in my life. So back in 2022 when we had this signing together with other artists alongside with Brianna and Mitzi as well and other artists from GMA, doon nagkaroon ng signing and also auditions to be part of GMA Playlist, and I was one of those lucky people na nabigyan ng tsansa na makapag-release ng single under GMA Playlist label. And here we are. I've been saying this in the past interviews po since the day we have released the single Infatuation. It's been 2 years in the making and now it's out. You get to hear it na po sa mga streaming platforms.
So kami, bakit natagalan? Nauna ka palang pumirma sa singer. Bakit ngayon ka lang
They have a calendar that they were following po, and then yun po yung timing nung bawat release po for every artist. We're about, I guess, 15 artists in their roster, and syempre priority ang yung mga may current shows that time, and then come as next ng mga newbie sa industriya. And but at the end of the day, I'm just really grateful na isa ako sa nabigyan nila ng opportunity to sing.
So kalay ngayon, tatlong path ang tinatahak mo as a singer, as a host, and as a teleserye actor. Alin ang pinakagusto mong may marating?
Well, actually, mataas ang pangarap natin, so sinusubo ko lahat. I'm exploring every single thing that I can while I'm in this industry kasi, ano ba yan? Who knows kung hanggang kailan lang naman ako sa industriya nito. Isa ko sa mga pinakabago din. I'm just a pandemic artist. And as much as I can do in this little time, ginagawa ko. Pero if you were to ask me po kung saan ako may gusto marating, even before joining the industry, sinasabi ko to sa mga tao, my first love is singing. Kahit hindi pa niya ako ganun kamahal, but it's been my first love ever since. At sinasabi ko rin na ang dream ko talaga maging recording artist. So, me releasing this first ever single with GMA Playlist is already an achievement for me. And ang measure ko ng success is wala naman sa numbers, kundi sa satisfaction na nararamdaman ko as an individual. And I guess I'm already successful per se.
Sino idol mong singer ka ba?
Local or ano po? International?
Local na pwedeng makakolab mo someday.
Ay, syempre, hindi na ako lalayo. Si Julian San Jose, my chops, of course. Idolo yan. But siguro sa mga closest friends ko, if I were to collab with someone, my dear friend, even before joining GMA, back in 2020, I met her through a PL project, the first ever acting project that I did, si Crystal Paras. She's so talented at alam kong pag nabigyan siya ng tamang recognition and the limelight, and she will make it really big. Kaya siya ang gusto ko makakolab bago pa man siya sumikat ng malala. Makikipag-collab na ako sa kanya. Yun.
Yeah, and for my last question for you, yung song mo is Infatuation.
Yes po.
Ano ang inspiration? Ano gusto mong ihatid sa tao through this song? And kanino ka na-infatuate sa showbiz?
Showbiz. Ito na yung showbiz question.
Yun muna, yung kanino ka na-infatuate sa showbiz?
Kanino ako infatuated sa showbiz? First person that came in my mind, si Kiara San Agustina lang. And she knows this. She's a good friend of my very good friend din na si Shaira Diaz. And I've been always vocal to her na I've admired her even before knowing Shaira Diaz. And ayun, ba't ba ako nag-explain? Yan lang naman yung pangalan. Yun lang. And then the next question is, anong inspiration?
Gusto mong ihatid sa listeners through your song Infatuation?
Well, hopefully, help them navigate kung pag napakinggan nila yung kanta, may they be heartbroken or confused with what they feel. Magkaroon ng at least kasagutan and clarity kung ano yung talagang nararamdaman nila. Is it love or is it just infatuation?
Bonus na lang, parang kayong single ba ni Ara? Ay, hindi pala.
I cannot speak for her.
So,
Mahirap na.
okay na pala yung infatuation. Thank you, Kaloy, and congratulations.
Maraming salamat po.